Hello everyone, welcome to our Azure DevOps course. In this video, we will learn how to deploy our web application server on the internet. Alright, so let's see the demo of the deploying of web application server. That is the first thing we need to deploy our code. Okay, so I would be using Apache Tomcat server, which is a very useful and famous to deploy all the front-end apps. So open your browser and just search Apache Tomcat download and open the first official website of Apache Tomcat. Then, so if you are using Windows, then you can download the zip file from these links. And if you are using another operating system, so also you can download from these all links. Okay, so I have already downloaded this. So once you have downloaded the zip file, go to the downloads and extract it. After extracting, just open it, and here you can see there are many different folder present here. Okay, so first of all, let's go back to the our project, and our goal is to create one build file. Okay, so I am going to my project. Here it is my Java web application, which you can see, which this is a demo file. Okay, so open your project and open your terminal. You can also use a CMD terminal or PowerShell terminal also. I am using VS Code terminal here. So just type in your terminal mvn clean install and just give enter. Okay. So this command will build your entire project called files, everything, and then it will create a war file. So in the entire course, I will be using this project as an explanation, so you can understand easily. Okay, so it will run test cases as well. So before it create a war file, it will run all units, test cases, everything what you mention in this project. If everything is successfully passed, then it will create a build file. Here you can see our build file target. Okay, so if there is any compiler issue or anything, then it will not create the file. Okay, so it will just throw an error. So where are the build file are present? So the refresh your project. Then so in this case we are using a application, right? So in the project server web application is there. So this is a web app folder under the web app folder. This is our web app and source file. In the source file we have this demo project, and we can also see target folder. Okay, in this target folder, go to the your web app war. This will encoded file. Okay, here you can see, and just copy it. After the copy this file, go to the, your Apache, go to your bin folder. Here you can see there are many types of files, but we are using now only the startup file. Okay, so just double click on this, and it will be run. It will take a few time. So here you can see our project is running on local 8080 port. So open your browser and just search local 8080 port. Okay. Here our project is running successfully. So to see our project in the browser, so just open your Apache folder and go to the web app folder, and paste this that file which we created in this our project. So just copy it and go to the web browser. Okay, and here just type slash web app. Okay, and just enter. Here you can see our project is running on our localhost 8080 port successfully. So from this step, you can also deploy your any project on this server. Okay, so thank you for the watching the video. See you soon again.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.